I'm Alex. This is Nick.
I can introduce myself, thank you.
On that note, that house over there? Yeah, we're gonna go ding dong door to that house. So, Trent, Nick, let's go.
Okay.
These guys won't even see it coming.
Destroyed.
Unless they're looking out their windows, you know?
I don't think so. I really don't.
Guess they're closed. Alright. Hey, come on, Trent. Try to avoid the rocks, you know? What are you doing?
Thinking.
Are you coming?
No.
Why?
Okay.
You wanna go first?
No.
Yeah, me neither. This place is creeping me out.
What was that? Whoa. Where's Nick?
Where'd he go? Wasn't he here just a second ago?
Yeah.
He in that car?
No.
Can't be. This is kind of creeping me out now.
What?
This is my house. Be gone.
I'm out.
You. What the? Oh no. Oh, okay, let's go.
I heard kittens. What the? Oh yeah!